Very good evening. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu Shares and Wealth Management Private Limited, and this session is about the closing of the today's market, the weekly expiry have closed today, how the weekly expiry have closed today, and morning what we have said, the support and resistance, whether the bullish trend or bearish trend we have discussed in the morning, whether that the market have followed or not. The thing we are going to discuss in this session. If you have any queries during this session itself, you can comment on the comment box. We will be reverting on it. Yes, okay. On morning, I have clearly told today we are seeing a bullish weekly expiry closing, and at 12:30, on European market opening, sometime we can have some consolidation, but after that it goes towards the bullish. I have told the same thing was followed in today's market. Why I am saying that Nifty future yesterday's close is around 17,651 and today it was opened around 17,750, nearly 100 points gap up opening we have seen. The same thing for Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty 39,592 is yesterday's close and today it was opened around 39,905, nearly 350 to 310 points of gap up opening we are seeing in Bank Nifty future. Yes, from there the rally how it begins. If you see in Nifty future, it was opened around 17,750 level and made low in the morning itself 17,720 and went high to the level of 17,813 to 14. So it was not broken the resistance of 17,824 in the morning. Okay, then it got consolidated towards the level of 17,780 to 800 level. Then whenever the resistance, that is support of 17,775 to 77 was broken, then it came down to the level of 17,695, the low made. Okay, from 17,695 it went after 12:30 went up to the high of 17,837 level. So the high made is around 17,837. From yesterday's close I have told you 17,651 is Nifty futures yesterday's close, and now today's high is around 17,837. So nearly 180 points have moved upward from yesterday's close. So from today morning opening, if you see around 83 points to 85 points of movement, upward movement we have seen in Nifty future. So this is a one side market we have seen in weekly closing expiry. Okay, and if you see about the Bank Nifty future, the same thing, that is 310 points of gap up opening we have seen in the market. From there the high went up to the level of 40,375. Even I have clearly told that the resistance for Bank Nifty future in the morning is at 40,026 to 40,030. Resistance was there. If 40,030 was broken, then we can expect the rally towards 40,130 to 135 level. If 40,135 is broken strongly, then we can have a move towards 40,300 itself. I have clearly told in the morning. The same thing was happened. The movement was till 40,375 the high made. So compare with Nifty, the Bank Nifty was more very strong move we have seen it today. If you see Bank Nifty future move 1.96% positive movement given, but Nifty 1.03% of positive movement given in Nifty. Okay, this is the Nifty and Bank Nifty movement, but later we will be seeing in chart how the movement have happened through chart itself we will be seeing. Okay, and another thing, any news in the company if you ask me, before going to the news, what about the world market if you ask me? Yes, the European market started with a flat green market, and the Asian markets have ended with a good positive closing we have seen. Okay, then comparatively, if the US market is opening today with a green movement, then we can have a rally towards a positive movement tomorrow also, but resistance level we will be seeing later. Okay, some of the news are there for today. Tanla platform company approved a share buyback at the price of rupees 1,200 via tender offer. This is of Tanla news. And Sharda Infra company wins an order worth of 225 crores. The market capital is around 45 crores itself. Okay. Then government have received about rupees 1,223 crores from Coal India dividend tranche. Okay. Then Penner Industries. Penna Industries company wins order worth of rupees 511 crores and the market capital is around 677 crores, the good worth of order they have captured. Okay. Then Hindustan Zinc company updated regarding incorporation of wholly owned subsidiary company, that is Hindustan Zinc Fertilizers. Hindustan Zinc entered into the fertilizers industry also. Okay, this is the major news as we are seeing for today. Okay, and we will go to the sector wise movement, how the sectors was performed for today's movement likewise. Okay, comparatively I have told in the morning, the morning itself, and also this session also earlier I have told the banking sector have given a strong move. Yes, the banking sector given a strong move, so the weekly expiry closing towards the bullish trend it was closed. Okay, so Nifty Bank is around 1.91% positive movement it was given today, and the Nifty Financial Services around 1.48% positive movement given, and also Nifty Auto is around 0.60%. Then Nifty Financial Services is 1.08%. Then Nifty IT sector have given 0.97% positive. Then if you see about the metal sector, minus 0.90% moved today, and realty sector around minus 0.29%, and the PSU bank is around positively 2.51% of closer, and the private banks is around 1.88% positive movement. So compare, if you see about this sector wise movement, all the banking sectors have given a good rally towards the bullish trend to the market strength. Okay, then top five gainers and top losers about today's market. If you see, yes, Sri Cements have moved 4.84% positive today, and BPCL 3.98% positive. Then Axis Bank given 3.47% positive movement. Then Tech Mahindra is around 3.24% positive. Then ICICI Bank is around 2.67% positive. These are the top gainers seeing today about the market movement. And top losers, if you see, Hindalco is around 2.97% minus, and Tata Steel is around minus 1.53%. Then Coal India is 1.17% minus. Then Tata Consumer Products minus 0.87%. Then SBI Life minus 0.87%. So these are the top gainers and top losers of today. Okay. Then how market can react today? Tomorrow, if you ask me, I am seeing that today's market was closed on a bullish market, and it was broken the resistance and closed today. Okay, then we can expect a rally towards, if the global market was support tomorrow morning, that is if the Asian market is opening in a positive way, then we can have a good gap up opening tomorrow. So we can have a rally towards 17,930 also a possible level, or 18,040 also a possible level for tomorrow morning if the global cues are supported. If the global cues are not supported, our market we can have a bearish rally towards 17,700 and 17,630 respectively. This is the level we can expect for Nifty. But Bank Nifty is pakka bullish trend. If you see about today's morning, then if the Bank Nifty is giving tomorrow a gap up opening of 40,000 more than 500, then we can expect the rally towards 40,850 or 41,000 can be a possible level for Bank Nifty future. And if the support level broken, that is support level of 40,130 level of broken, then we can expect the rally towards 39,950 or 39,750 and 39,650 also a possible level for Bank Nifty future. So this levels for your understanding. I am sharing my views. Okay, and I will share my screen about Nifty and Bank Nifty movement today. Yes, Nifty future I am sharing you now. I am showing you 15 minutes candle and intraday chart I am showing you. Yes, the first 15 minutes candle itself, the high made around from 17,750, the low made 17,720, the high and 17,798, and the second candle, the high made around 17,803 itself. So second candle itself touches the high. So till 9:30 to 12 o'clock, the market was on a range bound market likewise. After 12:30, the market was consolidated towards a low from 17,785. It came to the level of 17,695 level. So around 90 points have down the line movement we have seen in Nifty future from 17,695 it taken a support and it went up to the high of 17,835 level. So 17,837 level we have made today high Nifty future. So this is the movement we are seeing, and we have shown the support level is at 17,000. Yes, I will show you. 17,713 a resistance was shown. If the 17,713 was broken, then the rally towards 17,775 or 78 rally is there. After 17,778, then the rally towards 17,824, a possible rally we have told. It broken 17,824 and closed around 17,835 level. Okay, and see to that the Bank Nifty future chart I am sharing you now. Yes, 15 minutes candle I am showing you. I will show you intraday chart. Yes, you see Bank Nifty future all the way from the opening itself, it moved towards the high only. Not a consolidation has happened in Bank Nifty. In some cases around 12 to 12:30, some consolidation nearly 100 to 200 points consolidation was there. But from there it went up to the level of nearly 40,350 level. But morning it was opened around 39,905 and made a high. The next second candle itself 40,069. So from there the high was broken. Likewise it went up to the level of 40,248 itself at 12:30. From 40,000 to 248, the consolidation moved towards the level of 40,057. Around 200 points of consolidation moved, and from 40,057 it went up to the level of 40,350. Nearly 300 points of that upward movement we have seen in Bank Nifty future after 12:30 after the consolidation. Okay. Whether this can be a bullish closing, if you ask me, yes, it's a bullish trend closing. Then we can have a strong move towards Nifty 18,000. I am expecting. This is my view. I am saying, but Bank Nifty I am expecting minimum 41,500 also. It's my view. I am saying. For your understanding, if you want to trade with this level, you can, but you need to discuss with your wealth managers or investment advisor. Then you can initiate trade, or else kindly drop a comment on the comment box. We will be reverting you on it. Okay, coming to the point of options trading, how the options trading will help for this weekly expiry, if you ask me. Yes, we have clearly told in the morning itself it's a bullish rally we are going to see today. If you see about 17,700 Nifty call option, that is 17,700 strike. If you see, it's a call strike. Yes, Nifty. I am showing you a chart how it was moved, and intraday chart for last 2 days chart I am showing you. Okay, yes, if you see from yesterday, if you see, yes, 41.95 is the opening on yesterday, and it went up to the low of around 27.9 yesterday's low. If we are confident on the market, or if we are ready to take a good risk in the sense decent risk, not that much, that is if you are taking the risk for 30 rupees premium also, our investment would be 1,500. From 1,500 it made high to the level today morning itself. You see at 9:30 level itself 113 rupees. So around 90 points of mood, that is around 80 points of mood upside from the low of 30 rupees. So if you would have invested 1,500 yesterday, our profit would be, if you see, nearly 5,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees profit alone we can see, because 113 I have made today. So this kind of variation has happened in the weekly expiry itself. If you see intraday position itself, morning 113 is the high at 9:30. After that 12:30 or 1 o'clock, likewise the low made is around 34.95. If you would have invested at 34.95 or 37 or 40 itself, our investment would be 2,000 rupees, and after that the high made is around 108. Around 70 points fluctuation we have seen. So this kind of fluctuation market we can see in weekly expiry closing. So grab the opportunity, but we need to take some risk for that option. Okay, this is for Nifty I am showing you, but Bank Nifty also the same moment, but Bank Nifty is very aggressive compared to Nifty options. If you see, yes, I am showing you the 15 minutes candle. Yes, intraday, and both 2 days candle I am showing you. Yes, From yesterday, if you see that is 40,000 call option Bank Nifty strike I am showing you. It yesterday's open is around 139.8, and yesterday the low was made around 47.15. So if you would have bought at 50 rupees, if you are confident on the market that it can go up to the 40,000 level, if you would have bought at 50 rupees, our investment would be 1,250 alone. If we have invested 1,250, and today how the market reacts, if you see around 284.25 is the high. From 50, around 230 points more upside. So if we grab the 200 points, our profit would be around 5,000 rupees. So this kind of variation can happen in the weekly expiry, but the thing is that we need to take certain risk for the moment, and we need to enter at the trend. What are the trend? We should not enter into the blind movement. So if we see today also, today the low made around 57.5. After that, the high made to at 284.5. So this kind of opportunity is there in option market. So see to that you can easily earn in option market, but you need to learn first, then you can earn. So if you have any doubts in this option segment also, you can contact us, or you can comment on a comment box. We will be reverting you on it. And thank you for watching this session. Have a great day, and see you for tomorrow morning session. Thank you.